So let's just kind of rewind a little bit and go back to, okay, wow, this was a college idea that started off as a hackathon.
Yes.
Which is so incredibly exciting. What has your journey been like over the last 3 years? The ups and downs, the game-changing decisions and wins, and some of the challenges that you faced.
Transitioning into an actual company versus a school project or a school startup, that requires a lot of work. Yeah. I think a lot of people in college want to start startups, and a lot of people want to do their own thing. But it really does come down to, at the end of the day, your own personal level of commitment. So me, Jason, and Kevin, we went all in. Like when we graduated, we knew we were only going to be doing kiddos. That was going to be our only focus. And I think that was very good, but it was also very stressful because right when we graduated, we knew we had to raise an outside round of funding. Up until we graduated, we had been funded primarily by grants and competitions. So we had taken no equity funding, but we knew to reach the next level, to implement our next product, which is a 𝙨𝙧𝙘𝙧𝙀 wipes product for US hospitals, we need to raise money. And so, that was obviously a very, very interesting challenge for 3 recent graduates. I hadn't ever made like a slide deck for a company before, and we used to go to meetings with potential investors and not even know how to ask for money. Like we'd have a whole lunch, and at the end of the meeting, I don't know, like I was like, am I supposed to say like, are you going to invest in us? Like,
right.
I don't know what's the next step here. And so it definitely took a long time to raise that first round. Obviously, it took pretty much off 2016. We closed around in 2017. And then we started working on our product development. So our first product, 𝙨𝙧𝙘𝙧𝙀 powder, we've already completely finished it. It's on the market. It's for use with large bleach solutions. So primarily in epidemic settings like, cholera or Ebola. However, US hospitals use bleach wipes, and tons of consumers also use bleach wipes. So we pivoted the product a little bit so that we could also work with bleach wipes. And that required a massive amount of additional R&D and also proving that it actually works. It's simple to say you have a product that works, but it's really hard to make people believe you, especially if you're young and you haven't had a product like this before. So we also had to conduct a lot of outside studies, clinical tests, working with a lot of different universities and other organizations to bring legitimacy to the efficacy of the technology. But I think, basically what I learned so far is that you just got to do all your homework ahead of time and anticipate every single possible question someone will ask you. And if you show them that you're prepared, regardless of your youth or your inexperience, I think that can really say a lot.
Yeah.